Have you ever wondered if the way you drink water in the morning could actually harm your health instead of helping it? Most people think drinking water right after waking up is always good, but the truth is, when done the wrong way, it can create problems for your body, especially for seniors. Think about it. Water is life. But even life-giving things can become risky if we don't use them correctly. Many seniors start their day with water to stay healthy, yet a few simple mistakes can cause dizziness, digestion issues, or even stress the heart. The good news? These mistakes are easy to fix once you know them. And here is something for you. If you stay with me till the end of this video, you'll not only learn what those 5 mistakes are, but you'll also discover safe science-backed tips to protect your health every single morning. Mistake number 1. Drinking too much water at once. Do you know what happens when you drink a big glass of water in one go, right after waking up? Many people think it's healthy, but it can actually shock your system. In the morning, your stomach is empty, and suddenly flooding it with too much water can make you feel heavy, bloated, or even dizzy. For seniors, this habit is even riskier. A sudden rush of water can lower sodium levels in the blood, leading to weakness, headaches, or confusion. Some people even notice their heartbeat racing. It's not the water itself that's harmful, it's the way you drink it. The safer way. Take small sips. Start with half a glass, pause for a moment, and then drink more if you feel like it. This helps your body wake up slowly, keeps your digestion calm, and protects your balance. Mistake number 2. Drinking very cold water. Have you ever grabbed a chilled glass of water in the morning, thinking it would feel refreshing? It may wake you up for a moment, but inside your body, it can cause trouble. Cold water makes your blood vessels tighten and slows down digestion. For seniors, this can lead to stomach cramps, gas, or even joint stiffness. Your body has just spent the night resting. What it needs is gentle support, not a shock. Imagine trying to start an old car on a freezing morning. It struggles. The same happens to your body when you pour ice-cold water into it. The better choice is warm or room-temperature water. It's easier on your stomach, helps blood flow, and supports smoother bowel movements. Just one small change, skipping the ice, can make your mornings much kinder to your body. Mistake number 3. Drinking water too fast. Do you sometimes gulp down water quickly because you feel very thirsty in the morning? It may seem harmless, but drinking too fast can overload your stomach and upset digestion. When water rushes in, your body doesn't get enough time to absorb it properly. For seniors, this habit can be even more dangerous. Drinking too fast may trigger coughing, choking, or extra pressure on the heart. Some people even feel short of breath when they swallow too quickly. Your body needs a calm start, not a sudden rush. The smarter way is simple. Sip slowly. Let each swallow settle before taking the next. This gives your body time to adjust, helps with hydration, and makes you feel refreshed instead of heavy. Mistake number 3. Drinking water too fast. Do you sometimes gulp down water quickly because you feel very thirsty in the morning? It may seem harmless, but drinking too fast can overload your stomach and upset digestion. When water rushes in, your body doesn't have enough time to absorb it properly. For seniors, this habit can be even more dangerous. Drinking too fast may trigger coughing, choking, or extra pressure on the heart. Some people even feel short of breath when they swallow too quickly. Your body needs a calm start, not a sudden rush. The smarter way is simple. Sip slowly. Let each swallow settle before taking the next. This gives your body time to adjust. It also helps with hydration and makes you feel refreshed instead of heavy. Mistake number 5. Not drinking enough water. Some seniors make the opposite mistake. They drink too little water in the morning. Maybe they feel full or they forget to drink. But skipping water can leave your body dehydrated, making you feel tired, dizzy, or sluggish. It can even affect your memory and focus. Water is essential for your heart, kidneys, and muscles. Even mild dehydration can cause headaches, joint pain, and low energy. After a full night without water, the morning is the most important time to rehydrate. The simple solution is to create a routine. Keep a glass of water by your bed and sip slowly after waking up. Aim for enough water to gently wake up your body. Small, steady sips are far better than one big gulp. Drinking water in the morning seems simple, but these small mistakes can affect your health, especially for seniors. Let's quickly recap the 5 mistakes. Drinking too much at once, drinking very cold water, drinking too fast, drinking on an unprepared stomach, and not drinking enough. The good news? All of these are easy to fix. Drink slowly, sip warm or room temperature water, prepare your body first, and make sure you drink enough. These small changes can protect your heart, aid digestion, improve energy, and keep your body balanced. Start tomorrow morning with these tips. Your body will thank you, and you'll notice the difference in just a few days. Remember, it's not just about drinking water, it's about drinking it the right way. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and make every morning safer and stronger.